Microsoft is gearing up to release Windows 11 version 25H2, a minor but strategic update that's already available in the release preview channel. While it's not a feature-packed overhaul, it does bring subtle improvements and sets the stage for future enhancements. Calendar release timeline. When is Windows 11 25H2 coming? According to Microsoft's latest update, Windows 11 25H2 will begin rolling out widely in October 2025, or possibly by the end of September if no last-minute bugs are found. ISO installation media files are expected to be published soon, although they've been delayed from their original early September release. The ISOs for Windows 11 version 25H2 are delayed and coming soon, Microsoft confirmed in a blog post update on September 4, 2025. What is Windows 11 25H2 and how does it work? Unlike full OS upgrades, Windows 11 25H2 is delivered as an enablement package, .exp, a lightweight update that activates features already present in version 24H2. The update is less than 5 MB when installed via Windows Update and requires just one restart. Here's how it works. Features are added to Windows 11 24H2 via monthly cumulative updates. These features remain hidden until activated. Installing 25H2 simply flips them from disabled to be enabled using registry triggers. OS build and version numbers are updated accordingly. Microsoft clarified that 25H2 is built on the same codebase as 24H2, and future cumulative updates will apply to both versions. TestTube. Try Windows 11 25H2 early via the Insider program. Want early access? You can join the Windows Insider release preview channel and install 25H2 today. Once the update hits general availability, you can safely exit the Insider program and continue receiving monthly updates without affecting your device's warranty. New button. What's actually new in Windows 11 25H2? Let's be honest, if you're already running Windows 11 24H2, you won't notice much difference after installing 25H2. That's because most of the changes are already baked into your system and just waiting to be activated. Here's what you'll get out of the box with 25H2. New Start menu finally allows users to hide their recommended feed. Colorful battery icons, a visual refresh for the system tray. Power efficiency improvements, subtle tweaks for better battery life. However, Microsoft has confirmed that these features will also roll out to 24H2 users in the coming weeks. So they're not exclusive to 25H2, just pre-enabled. Package update size and performance. Microsoft has reduced the size of cumulative updates by up to 40%, making it easier to receive new features without bloating your system. This also means faster installs and fewer interruptions.